Welcome to the Ukeclear Explosion. Cakes are on sale, and they're all diet free. They're all
low calorie.
So anybody here who is watching the calories, if you buy two, and before you eat them, just shake the calories out. It'll all be fine. They taste even better like that. So we're going to begin the afternoon with us, the Ukecleaviators, because I'd like to say thank you to all the Ukecleaviators for turning up and for all their hard work going into the day. And we hope you're going to enjoy yourselves. We also hope you're going to enjoy playing. Anyone from Upner here yet? Oh, it is a long way. Yeah, they're probably at border control right now. Are you ready?
I don't think they're coming.
Oh, they're coming.
There's 2 or 3 that are not.
Yeah, well. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we are the Ukecleaviators.
Chase me in the back of a hack. I love to hear the rhythm of the clickety-clack. Hear the ropes and whistles, see the smoke from the stack. Pal around with democratic fellas named Mac. So take me right back to the track. We are Natasha!
Yeah! I'm going to start off with quite a fast one. If you know the words, try and keep up. Shave me and be my knees. A simple thing, where have you gone? I'm getting tired and I need someone to rely on. I came across a fallen tree. I felt the branches of it looking at me. The birds and the bees sing happily in the trees, singing will bring. The sun in the sky as the clouds hover by, singing will bring. As you sit next to me, holding me and hugging me, singing will bring.
For I know she's waiting there for me, 'neath the lone pine tree. There's wasps about now. In the Blue Ridge Mountains of Virginia, on the trail of the lonesome pine, beneath the pale moonshine, our hearts entwined. But she carved a name, and I carved mine. Oh, June, like the mountains I'm blue, like the pine,
Like the pine.
I am lonesome for you. Next little while, these are the bums.
Bums on seats.
Want it?
Oh, I like ukulele. They always make you smile. Whatever trouble comes your way, it'll be okay in a little while. Just take a little tune now. It's easy if you try. Just a couple of chords and a flick of the wrist. And you start to wonder why you never tried this. It's
That's right, I'm sad and blue, 'cause I can't do the boogaloo. I'm lost, can't do my thing. That's why I sing, gimme that thing.
Gimme that, gimme that, gimme, gimme, gimme that, gimme that thing, gimme that, gimme, gimme that, gimme that thing, gimme that, gimme, gimme that, gimme, gimme, gimme that thing. Oh, gimme that, gimme that, gimme, gimme, gimme that, gimme that thing, gimme that, gimme, gimme that, gimme that thing, gimme that, gimme, gimme that, gimme, gimme, gimme that thing.
My sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. I know you haven't made your mind up yet, but I would never do you wrong. I've known it from the moment that we met. No doubt in my mind where you belong. I'd go hungry, I'd go black and blue. I'd go crawling down the avenue. No, there's nothing that I wouldn't do to make you feel my love.
Virgil Kane is my name, and I serve on the Darenth train. Till Stonewall's cavalry came and tore up the tracks again. In the winter of '65, I was hungry, just barely alive. May the 10th Richmond fell. It was a time I remember oh so well. The night they drove old Dixie down, all the bells were ringing. The night they drove old Dixie down, all the people were singing. They went na 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 na.
Oh, the night was clear, the stars were shining, the moon came up, square in the sky. All the people gathered round, all the band was a-tuning. I can hear them now, playing coming through the rye. And we danced all night to the fiddle and the banjo, the drifting tunes seemed to fill the air. So long ago, I still remember when we fell in love at the Roseville Fair. I teach your parents well, they'll try not to keep slowing alright. Teach your children among your dreams, your children, teach your children what you know well. Don't you ever ask them why, if they told you you would cry. Just look at them inside. Know they love you. This is John.
You may not represent a clap. Can you hear me? I can't hear myself. I can't hear myself. Okay, I'm going to attempt these couple of songs. I may muck them up a little bit.
Only a little bit.
Only a little bit. Okay. I've got to try and think what they are first. The red back on the toilet seat when I was there last night. I didn't see him in the dark, but boy, I felt his bite. Right, here we go. Well, come on, all you big strong men. Uncle Sam needs your help again. He's got himself in a terrible jam. Way down yonder in Vietnam. So put down your book, pick up a gun. We're gonna have a whole lot of fun, fun, fun. And it's 1, 2, 3. What are we fighting for? Don't ask me, I don't give a damn. Next stop is Vietnam. And it's 5, 6, 7. Open up the pearly gates. Well, there ain't no time to wonder why. Whoopee, we're all gonna die. Should have been a date.
The taxman's taken all my dough and left me in my stately home, blazing on a sunny afternoon. And I can't sail my yacht, he's taken everything I got. All I've got's this sunny afternoon.
No pressure.
Well, I dreamed I saw the knights in armor coming, saying something about a queen. There were peasants singing and drummers drumming, and the archers split the tree.
Our next act, accompanied by some of the best guitarists on the scene, is this old sod. Give me a big warm welcome for Skinny Malinky, please. When the sun beats down, melts a tar upon the roof. Shoes get so hot, you wish your poor old feet were fireproof. Ready? Under the boardwalk, down by the sea, on a blanket with my baby, is where I'll be. You know, ready?
And there was a tavern where we used to raise a glass or two.
Almost.
I'm there. Remember how we laughed away the hours and dreamed of all the great things we would do. Those were the days, my friends. We thought they'd never end. We'd see and die forever and a day. We lived a life we choose. We thought it never lose. For we were young and sure to have our way. La 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 Those were the days. Oh yes, those were the days.
1, 2. It's good to be wise when you're young, but you only can be young, but for once. Enjoy yourself and have lots of fun. But blah 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 blah.